Deep in the ocean blue where the big waves roll, Santa Claus came swimming with a jolly ho-ho-ho. His sleigh turned into bubbles, his boots into fins. The sea animals cheered, let the Christmas fun begin. Big sea Christmas party! Splash, splash, Christmas bash. Join the ocean's jolly splash with whales and sharks and turtles too. Santa's swimming just for you. Ring those shells and clap your fins. Let the underwater Christmas sneeze. A giant blue whale sang low and deep, a Christmas tune that made the water leap. Ooh, ooh, the whale sang loud, his voice rolled through the ocean crowd. Santa laughed at what a magical sound as the whale's big notes shook the water all around. Big sea Christmas party! Splash, splash, Christmas bash. Join the ocean's jolly splash with whales and sharks and turtles too. Santa's swimming just for you. Ring those shells and clap your fins. Let the underwater Christmas begin. The friendly sharks swam by in a line wearing Santa hats. They look so fine. They dance with their tails, wiggled with glee. Even sharks love Christmas under the sea. The sea turtles floated slowly by, carrying tinsel that sparkled like the sky. Their shells lit up with lights so bright, turning the ocean into Christmas night. Big sea Christmas party! Splash, splash, Christmas bash. Join the ocean's jolly splash with whales and sharks and turtles too. Santa's swimming just for you. Ring those shells and clap your fins. Let the underwater Christmas begin. Santa opened a treasure chest full of cheer, bringing ocean animals gifts every year. He gave the dolphins sparkly hoops to play and glowing coral for the octopus ballet. All around the sea turned bright, a glowing underwater Christmas night. The dolphins twirled in circles fast, making Christmas bubbles that shimmered as they passed. Santa cheered, "What a wonderful sight! Merry Christmas, oceans! Your joy shines